position, okay? So we do 2 slow from, 2 slow to the side. Second one we plie. 1 and 2, 3 plie 4, 5 and 6, 7 plie 8, and then we do faster front side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really on first position, 5, 6, check, 7 and 8. Start from back, totally same. 2 slow turn you back, 2 slow turn you to the side, fast back, fast side, fast back, fast side, really up. And then continue, 4 front face. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 back face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suitable pin, release ball, finish it down. Okay? So, one more time. 2 turn you front, second one will plie. 2 turn you to the side, second one will plie. Go faster. Front, side, plie. And really on first position, release ball on 7, plie on 8. From back, totally same. 1 and 2, 3 plie 4, 5 and 6, 7 plie 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 times you cut in deep on the front face. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on back face. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finish on back through the period. Okay, that's it. Let's do a tongue to everybody. First position. And arm open. Front. Hand. Front. Plie. Look to the ball. First. Plie. A little faster. Front. Side. Front. Side plie. Really. Release ball. And plie from back. Slow. First. And plie. Side. First. Side. And plie. Back. Side. Back. Side. Really. Get ready. We turn you to the side on front face. Cut deep. 4 times. Front face. 4 back face. Cut deep. Plie. So to plie back on really. Get ready. Release ball hold. First position plie. Back more.